Peninsula Medical Spa, Ninya Financial, Triskelions, Northern California, Miss G by the Grill by Miss D, thank you. St. Joseph Home Health, Alert Home, Direct Hospice Care Inc. Thank you so much. Mr. Adriano Arts, wala na siya. And of course, our official photographer for tonight, Ray, thank you so much. Essential Homes Health, thank you so much for your support. Mr. Ron, is Mr. Ron here? Essential Hospice, thank you. And of course, the owner of this amazing building, one of a wonderful person, very easy to deal with, Dan and family and the team, thank you. Ate Elke, of course, thank you again. And for my assistant director, always, Jim and the team, thank you so much for your support. All right, we're going to start with, again, sponsors. North Peninsula Medical Spa. Oh, sorry, meron po tayo.
Ayan, may reaction po si Sir. Naiinis ko. Naiinis ko.
Alright.
Ang galing-galing nila.
Picture na po.
Sige, sige. Dito lang. Dito na lang. Shots lang ito.
Ay, dalawa na.
Dito naman. May saka. Ay, dalawa. Ay,